Okay, good morning to the Berry King followers. Welcome to Berry King Waterproofing. We're here at a new project in Kailami Estate, slab roof, where we are removing our rotten cheese, which is our torch-on waterproofing. Once we have removed the torch-on waterproofing, we'll then apply the engineered seamless system, maintenance free for 10 years, and you can stay tuned for further videos on preparation to get the client's house 100% waterproof. Cheers for now. Okay, welcome back to Berry King Waterproofing. We're here at a project in Kailami. We're dealing with 3 slab roof areas. The one slab is a lightweight screed slab above a patio, and the other 2 slabs, as you can see behind me, including the one that I'm standing on at the moment, is a normal slab. These areas here, we are now busy with preparation, whereby we are applying a skirting around the 45 degrees on the parapet upstands. And that goes as well as all the other slabs going around. We're using a lightweight material because the material that's on here is a lightweight material, so you'll be able to see exactly what the finishing is. Once the finishing is completed, we'll then move on to the next process of applying primer and fabric. Stay tuned for further videos. Cheers. Okay, and as you can see, we don't have only one layer of waterproofing on here. We've actually got 2 layers of waterproofing. The first layer is the silver layer, as you can see here, and the second layer is the mineral torch-on that's below it. So there's 2 layers of waterproofing that need to be removed. So there will be a change in pricing for removal. I'll have a chat with you when I see you shortly.